Hi, Pete Posner here at Big Break English, and today I'm going to show you a way that you can expand your vocabulary and memorize it, which is going to be very useful for your general English and also if you need to prepare for a test like IELTS. Okay, so what I suggest you do is take a very large piece of paper and draw a mind map. Okay, so choose a broad topic area. For example, I chose education, right? And then you can choose some subtopics in the area of education. So, for example, I chose types of schools, learning, and university. By doing this, you're going to really explore a topic, really maximize your ideas, and with those ideas, new vocabulary. Okay, and the way to get this new vocabulary is reading and listening. So exposing yourself to topics in English. Okay, so then what you should do is you should develop some words, record some words for each of those subtopics. For example, we can take the subtopic types of schools, right? And we can record some useful words like state schools, private schools, mixed schools, and single-sex schools. Okay, and then you can take some of those words, like for example, state schools and private schools, and you can record more useful words related to those words, right? For example, for state schools, comprehensive schools, and selected schools. There's a theory that your mind works a little bit like an encyclopedia, okay? So storing words in relation to other words, right? And this will help you to memorize those words, to recall those words when you need them. Okay, so another example, in a similar way, we have private schools, and two words related to private schools are boarding schools, and the opposite to a boarding school is a day school. Also, add lots of color to your mind map. Okay, so using different colors for different words, different ideas is going to really help you memorize. Mind mapping is particularly effective for visual learners. Okay, guys, so mind mapping is a really useful way of expanding your vocabulary and memorizing it. If you have any other suggestions that you improve your vocabulary, I'd love to hear them in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, then please like it, please share it, and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch some more similar videos. Okay, and I'll see you next time.